Together.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Kuya Colette.
Happy birthday, Kuya Colette in heaven.
Yes, in heaven. Very good. Naami sa Frosting Adventure Cafe kapag sa Ando, Mabolo. Yes. Say hi guys. Naami sa Adventure Cafe to celebrate our 7th wedding anniversary. So actually ugma pa mong anniversary. Yeah, since holiday today, we decided na karon na lang i-celebrate. No, niya kami pa lang ang tao. Supporting kiat sa mga bata. Uy, hold ko no baby. You know, you're so noisy, you know. Oh my god. Supporting kiat no. Kay murag naka-solo. Murag naka-exclusive. Kami pa lang ang tao. Rox, behave, Rox. And it's time to eat. Oh, nanging kamot siya, oh. Hi, Rox. Hello, Trey, basig bukog na na yung gikaon, ha? And this is also for Colette's birthday celebration. Rox, give Mama, Rox, B. Give Mama, B. Give that to Mama, B. Why? And here's the menu. Oh, basig interested mo. At least na mo'y idea.
Oh, I know what I can do with this too.
Quiet first, quiet first.
Papa! I have a gift.
And they also have party packages.
Papa! First we put our napkins here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Kuya Colette in heaven.
Happy birthday, Kuya Colette in heaven.
Okay, time to blow. Wait, wait. Together.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Kuya Colette.
Happy birthday, Kuya Colette in heaven.
Yes, in heaven. Very good.